Welcome to our expert guide on 10 must-know skincare tips for girls. Whether you're a skincare novice or a seasoned pro, these essential tips are here to help you achieve that flawless complexion you've always dreamed of. Tip 1. Cleanse your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Tip 2. Use a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the next steps in your skincare routine. Tip 3. Exfoliate regularly to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a radiant, fresh complexion underneath. But remember, don't overdo it. Tip 4. Always wear sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is crucial for preventing premature aging and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Tip 5. Hydrate your skin from the inside out by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Tip 6. Moisturize daily to lock in hydration and keep your skin looking soft and plump. Tip 7. Treat yourself to a weekly face mask session to target specific skincare concerns and give your skin an extra boost. Tip 8. Don't forget about your lips. Apply a lip balm with SPF to keep them moisturized and protected. Tip 9. Get plenty of quality sleep. A good night's rest allows your skin to repair and rejuvenate itself. Tip 10. Lastly, love your skin at every stage. Embrace your natural beauty and remember that confidence is the best skincare secret of all. Thank you for watching our expert guide on 10 must-know skincare tips for girls. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay beautiful.